Let's look into distance formula next. What is distance formula? Let's understand how this distance formula came about. Okay, so distance formula is to find the distance between any 2 points. The points is x comma y. Yes, x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So these are the order pace, these are the points. Now if you look carefully in these 2 points, if I extend this line, that is y1, okay, and I'm extending here, PQT is a right angle triangle. PQT will become right angle triangle. And what is the point T? The point T will become x2 comma y1, right? That is the point T. Now if you look carefully, what is QT? QT is y2 minus y1, right? So it's a vertical line. So what is the distance between that? QT is y2 minus y1. Similarly, what is PT? PT is x2 minus x1. So these are the distances, right? Now let's look and find how do we find PQ. So we know PQT is a right angle triangle at T. So PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square, Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have x2 minus x1 the whole square, which is PT square, y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is QT square. So PQ is what? PQ is root of what? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So what is the distance formula? The distance formula is d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is distance formula. So you have any 2 points, substitute the value, get the answer. Only the formula is important. The way you get the answer is not important, but I explained so you guys get a better grasp of how this formula came about. Okay.